We are going to make another sack boy. Or at least I am. There's a big glop right there.
It's okay. He can be wearing a hat.
A little top hat.
Yep.
Bowler hat, whatever. Trying to make like shines in his eyes.
Okay, that's cool.
Oh crap.
It's fine. Good job.
He looks derpy.
He's cute. He's cute. Go ahead and fill him in.
I don't know why it's turning out like this. I think it's because my hand's shaking. I'm a little
Maybe.
weak because I'm hungry.
Okay.
See how it's shaking?
Yeah. Be okay.
It's burnt. I know it.
Be okay. If it's burnt, I'll eat it.
If only I had enough talent to make Freddy Fazbear. Freddy Fazbear. He'd be like, ah! Or Bonnie. Bonnie's scary. I don't like it. Yeah, it's good enough.
Good job.
Some hurts.